The next train to pass through the station is the down ore train. Here we see it taking the copper mine branch. It's being watched over here by old Tom Stockton, who used to be an engine driver on the Peckforton Light Railway. Passing through the cutting just after the bridge, the train makes its way towards the copper mine. The up mixed train now arrives in the station, having visited Bickerton and dropped off its wagons. As you can see, the van that was on the down mixed is still attached. That's because it's actually intended to be delivered here at Bukeley to the Boneworks siding. Station Master James Twiss is making sure everything goes according to plan, and waiting on the platform is John Boot, who's worked all his life in the sandstone quarry nearby. An up ore train is just waiting to join the main line from the copper mine branch. On the left you can see the van in the bonework siding. The train is full of spoil, which is actually going to be carried along the mainline railway towards the Dee estuary, where it will form part of the sea defences there. The morning down passenger arrives. Here we can see Ernie Green. He's going to pop down to see his friend down in Bickerton. The train is now ready to depart, and on the platform we can see George Pays, a local wildlife artist, together with his housekeeper. They've been away for the week. And here we see the arrival of the mid-morning up passenger. On the platform is Arthur Ankers having a chat to old Tom. Arthur is the local bootmaker, and he's just off to Chester to get some fine leather to make a pair of boots for Herbert Brassey, who is a relative of Thomas Brassey, the famous railway engineer, whose family lived in Bukeley for 600 years.